So, it's almost the end of January. Making a video on my train AC. Hasn't even gotten any stuff on its coil yet. But it is starting to get a little dirty-ish. Logo's already fading already. I don't know why it's yellow instead of red. What was that? Might sometime do a defrost video, but I don't know when. Right here's the neighbor's AC, which is already covered up. It's an Ameristar AC. So right here's the furnace. It was running earlier. Right now it's off. I haven't even made a video on it in a long time. Sorry, my sump pump is running right now. I'll show it right now. Alright, right here's the sump pump. I'm not really like in the mood. Oh, what the? Just not really in the mood to talk. I just felt a spider web. But there hasn't been any spiders since they all died off. It's not been filled yet, just a tiny bit. I don't know if I think it's draining right now. I'm gonna put this cover back on. There you go. Oh yeah, this is a pendant line that has a pull chain. Bands look like the ones that I have on my furnace. I don't get why they have. Yeah, probably might make another startup and shutdown video later. Block Sky, over and out.